Hi friends, good afternoon. How are you? Hope all are fine. Welcome to SAM online class. Today we shall discuss about the vegetative structure of Odogonium. Odogonium is a filamentous green algae usually found in permanent water bodies like lake, pond and shallow water tanks. First of all, its systematic position. Odogonium belong to kingdom Plantae, division Chlorophyta, class Chlorophyceae, order Odogoniales, family Odogoniaceae, genus Odogonium. The genus Odogonium is represented by more than 400 species. Out of 400 species, in India, more than 200 species are found. The thallus of Odogonium is a filament. This filament is uniseriate and unbranched. It remains attached with the surface of rock, log, etc. with the help of a basal holdfast. Some species of Odogonium are epiphytic, that means they grow on other aquatic plants and algae. Now, the vegetative structure. So, the thallus of Odogonium is a filament. The filament is unbranched and uniseriate. Uniseriate means this filament consists of a single row of cells. The filament contains three types of cells. One is basal cell, second is apical cell, third is intercalary cell. So, first is basal cell. What is basal cell? Now the basal cell is the lowermost cell of the filament. This is the basal cell, which is the lowermost cell of the filament. This cell is known as holdfast. It is colorless and the holdfast help in attachment of the filament to the surface of various substances. Second is apical cell. The apical cell is present at the apex of the filament. It is green and is circular toward the upper apical side. So you see here, now toward this side, this apical cell is circular. Third is intercalary cell. All the cells that are present between apical cell and basal cell is known as intercalary cell. So, the thallus of Odogonium is a filament. In addition to vegetative cell, the thallus also contains an oogonium and antheridium. What is oogonium? Now, oogonium is the female sex organ and antheridium is the male sex organ. Next, some of the intercalary cells have ring-like structure on its upper end. So you see here, now this is a vegetative structure, the vegetative cell that contain rings-like structure. These ring-like structure are known as caps, and the cell is known as cap cell. The number of caps indicate the time that the cell has divided. Next is the structure of cell. Like other algae, the cell of Odogonium is enclosed by a cell wall. The cell wall is three-layered. Outer layer is chitinous, middle layer is pectinous, inner layer is cellulosic. Below cell wall, there is a cell membrane. The Odogonium is an eukaryotic algae. It contains various membrane-bound organelles like nucleus, chloroplast, mitochondria, endoplasmic reticulum, Golgi complex, etc. So, in the cell of Odogonium, there is a single nucleus and there is a large reticulate chloroplast. This is the reticulate chloroplast which contains many pyrenoids. The cell also contains a single large central vacuole. And in this intercalary cell, you see there are some ring-like structures. These ring-like structures are known as caps, and the cell is known as cap cell. The number of caps indicate the time that the cell has undergone division. Okay friends, this is all about the vegetative structure of Odongonia. Hope that all of you will share, like, view and subscribe this video. Thank you one and all.